Hello and welcome back to the ProfileTree YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to go through the process of setting up a smart campaign in Google Ads. Now, starting off where we finished last time, in our brand new account that we've just set up, we're going to click on New Campaign. If you have, however, switched to Expert mode, like I have in this other account, you would click on New Campaign, and again, then you would choose the objective that would make this campaign successful for you. Do you want to drive more sales on your website? Do you want to drive more leads? Or do you simply want to get more traffic on your website? To help you make that choice, we first need to find out what is a Google Smart Campaign. Well, according to Google, a smart campaign is built specifically for small businesses. It is an automated tool that helps you promote your business on Google. Google Ads Smart Campaigns has just rolled out to all 150 countries where Google Ads is available. Businesses of all sizes can now get ads up and running in just 15 minutes. And that's the key point, is that this only takes you about 15 minutes to set up a campaign and have it running and showing ads to your customers. Now, before we get into this, make sure to leave a like on this video and leave a comment below if there's something you want us to cover in a future video. And make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any other videos that we upload. Now that you've made your choice, in this case I'm going to go Sales, you'll be given a choice of campaign type. In this case we're going to click on Smart Campaign. And when you click Continue, you'll be in the same spot as if you haven't switched to Expert mode yet. So in this case I'm going to click on New Campaign in our account. You're given three choices. What's your main advertising goal? Do you want to get more calls? Do you want to get more website sales or signups? Or do you want to get more visits to your physical location? Let's go with website sales or signups. And click Next. Do you serve customers in your area? So, do you deliver perhaps your products to your customers? If so, then click Yes, customers visit my location or I visit them. Or click No if you mostly serve your customers online. In this case, I'm going to go with No, as the company that we're going to be using is an online marketing company. Click Next. Put in your business name. I've called mine ProfileTree Smart Campaign, and click Next. Now you need to enter in your website. You can simply search for it and copy the URL and then paste it into the section there. Then click Next. Now Google's going to scan your website and learn about your business. It's going to get some suggestions for your campaign. Now you are presented with the screen to verify that you're sending people to the correct page. You have a mobile view as well as a desktop view. If it is the correct page, you can click Next. Now it's time to write your ad. Remember to keep your ads enticing with a great call to action. You want to drive customers to your page with the intention of actually making a sale or converting into a lead. In this case, Google has scanned the URL that we've put in and it's automatically generated an ad for us. If you are not happy with the way this ad is laid out, you can simply click and select a new headline or type it in yourself. Remember to take note of the character limit. On each headline is 30 characters and each description line is 90 characters. Once you have written your ad, you will see a preview on the right hand side which will show you what your ads will look like on a mobile device. If you want people to call through to your business, you can add your number over here and it will add it to the bottom of your ad. When people click on it, they'll call straight through to your business and it will cost the same as if they clicked on the ad. If you don't want this option, you can simply untick this box and it will take it away. If you are happy with the way things are laid out, you can scroll down and click Next. Now you need to add keyword themes to match your ad to searches. Remember, when choosing your keyword themes, you're looking at a whole theme, so keep your keywords as broad as possible. Google has automatically generated a few themes here for you to give you an idea. If you are not happy with these, you can simply click the X to remove them, or you can go down here where it says Suggested Keyword Themes and add them. You can also type in new ones by clicking the new keyword theme and choosing from the drop down below. The one you have typed in will be at the bottom. If you're happy with your keyword themes, you can scroll down and click Next. Up next, you need to show ads in the right places. So where do you want to show your ads to? You can advertise near an address, and as you can see, it will put a radius around wherever you choose, or you can advertise in a specific location. By simply typing in here, you can add a postcode, a city, a county, or even a country. In this case, we want to go with Northern Ireland. If you're happy with the location you've chosen, you can click Next. Now you need to set a budget to get the results you want. Google has automatically generated a budget recommended for you. This is a daily average budget, and it will give you an average monthly here with the estimated clicks below. You can choose to spend less or more by simply clicking the box, or you can enter in your own budget below by typing it in or using the sliders. In this case, we're going to go with the recommended budget, and if you are happy with that, you can scroll down and click Next. Now you need to review your campaign to be sure it's just right. You can give your campaign a name, your website goal, the website you're sending people to, and your business name again. You can see the ad, you can see the location, and the keyword themes that you've selected, as well as the budget. You can change any of these by simply clicking on the pencil and editing one of the headlines or descriptions. You can then just click Save if you're happy with that choice. On the side here, you will see a preview of your ad and you'll see your estimated monthly clicks. If you're happy with everything here, you can scroll down and click Next. If you have not set up your conversion tracking yet, you can go back and watch our other video on conversion tracking, and you can click Get Started and follow the prompts. If you have already set up your conversion tracking, this will be skipped and your campaign will now be in review, and within 20 minutes or so, Google will approve your campaign and it will be running, and you'll start showing ads to your potential customers. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, please remember to leave a like and leave a comment below if there's something you want us to cover in a future video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos that we upload. Until the next one, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.